So for these infinite limits, then for this given, to evaluate the limit, so the limit of 3x over x minus 5 as x approaches to positive 5 from the right. So if this one is negative, that's from the left. Then using the direct substitution, so if x is equal to positive 5, so this denominator becomes 0, and 0 denominator, that's undefined. So therefore, we cannot solve this limit using this direct substitution. So to evaluate this limit, so we need to find the value for x closer to this positive 5 from the right. So in a number line, this one is 0. Then on the right, that's positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. Then on the left, that's negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. So for this limit in a number line, this is the limit approaches to positive 5. And on the right of positive 5, that's positive 6. Then on the left, that's positive 4. So since from the right, so from the right approaches to positive 5, so we need to take this value closer to positive 5. So we can use 5.1. So this is now the value for the x in the denominator. So in the numerator, just substitute this value. So this becomes 3 times 5 then over in the denominator. Use this value for x. So that's positive 5.1 minus 5. Then this time, we need to take the sign. So if that one is positive or negative, so if we have 3 times 5, this one is positive 15. So just take the sign that's positive, then over for this denominator, positive 5.1 minus 5. So since 5.1 is greater than negative 5, so this one is also positive. And for this positive divide by positive, this is positive infinity. So the limit is equal to positive infinity. Then for this given, so again, in the denominator, we need to find the value for x closer to negative 4. Since this one is negative, so from the left, so in a number line, if this one is negative 4, then in the right of negative 4, this one is negative 3. And on the left, that's negative 5. So since closer to negative 4 from the left, so this is from the left, then we need to take this number closer to negative 4. So we can use negative 4.1. Then to evaluate now this limit, so in the numerator, just use this value. So that's negative 4 plus 3 then over. So we have 2 times in the denominator, use this value. So negative 4.1 then plus 8. Then to simplify, so negative 4 plus 3, this is negative 1 then over 2 times negative 4.1, this is negative 8.2, then plus 8. Then this time, we need to take the sign. So the numerator is negative, then over this negative 8.2 and positive 8. So since 8.2 is greater than 8, so therefore the denominator is negative. Then for this negative, divide by negative, this one is positive, infinity. So the limit is positive, infinity. Then for this given, so as x approaches to negative 3 from the right, so in a number line, this one is negative 3. Then at the right of negative 3, that's negative 2. At the left, that's negative 4. Since this one is positive, so from the right, then we need to pick a number closer to negative 3. Since between negative 3 and negative 2, so that number is negative 2.9. So use this value in the denominator. So this becomes 4 times in the numerator. So that's negative 3, then negative 1, then over 9 minus. So in the denominator, so use this value. So negative 2.9 to the power 2. Then to simplify, so this one is negative 12 minus 1, then over 9 minus this negative 2.9 to the power 2. So we have negative 2.9 to the power 2. That's positive 8.41. So this is 8.41. Then this time, take the sign. So negative and negative. So this one is negative, then over. Since 9 is greater than 8.41, so this one is positive. Then negative divide by positive, so this one is negative infinity. Then for this limit, so as x approaches to positive 2 from the left, so this one is positive 2. Then from the right, that's positive 3. From the left, that's positive 1. Since approaches to positive 2 from the left, so this is now the limit and use this number. So since between 1 and 2, so this is 1.9. So positive 1.9. Then to evaluate now the limit, so 7 minus 3 times for numerator, that's 2, then over. So for the denominator, use this value, 1.9 to the power 2 minus 4. Then to simplify, so this one is 7. So 3 times 2 minus 6, then over. This 1.9 to the power 2. So we have 1.9 to the power 2. That's 3.61. So this is 3.61 minus 4. Then we need to take now the sign. So since positive 7 is greater than 6, so this one is positive, then over. Then since negative 4 is greater than 3.61, so this one is negative. Then positive divide by negative, so this one is negative infinity. So the limit is negative infinity.